Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at the Husqvarna 385 XP chainsaw, 85 cc's. This one features a 28-inch sprocket nose Husqvarna bar. It's brand new, and a brand new 3/8 skip tooth chain. Chisel bit, and you can see the sequence. That's a skip sequence. There's space between the teeth. .050 gauge. And we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch is right here. Choke's over on the right. It does have a operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand is in place. It's got a hand protector and a foot pad right here. Works as a hand protector to protect your hand in case of a chain throwing incident. Used as a foot pad when starting this high compression engine. Make sure your foot's in place. Good grip on those wrap handlebars. Start this on the ground. It's a very high compression engine. Side load on your oil and gas reservoir. Gas reservoir and the oil reservoir up front. It's got a working chain brake. Dual falling spikes. Chain tensioner is loosen the two lug nuts up right here, and the chain tensioner is right here. Decompression valve is that blue button. You press this before starting and it decompresses the cylinder and makes it a lot easier to start this high compression engine. Very good running chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.